flying fox.
The slop is there, no? They can come out. They're not bats.
Maybe it is. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
So you man.
It's hot. Oh, guys. Look, it's right at the back. It's up there.
Wait that.
Boxy boo. Boxy boxy. Look how cool this is, guys.
Oh look, there's the monkeys, Mama.
Covered completely. We've not got no bins, hence why we don't have food and drinks in here, because our monkeys and sloths spread all around the way. It literally says outside no food and drinks.
Look at them, Mama.
Yeah, so Leander is the very first one in between the glass right at the entrance, but we've also got our two females at the back here.
Right there. Mom.
Yeah, no, so they
I can't see.
Mom, help her. Mom, come here. Help her. She wants to see the slop. She can't see it.
Where's that monkey?
Guys, we are in reptiles. Probably all the rats there. There's a sloth. So this is sick. There's these,
His name is Shiloh, man.
Yeah, no, you look like drink.
Aren't you asking? Do you want some?
we all just got kicked out. There's a tortoise. There's a tortoise right there.
This is the medium tropical
This is very cool. Got all of these. This will be the first one. Thanks for watching, guys. This is 4 minutes of Zoo. Thanks for watching. Bye.